So hello my dear friends. So the important thing is that in today's video we are going to see कि what are the weightages, कि weightage क्या है CUET PG इकोनॉमिक्स इंट्रेंस की। दैट इज कि जब आप CUET की बात करते हैं, हियर वी कैन सी दैट, यू कैन सी द जस्ट बोर्ड जस्ट बिहाइंड मी। जो CUET की जब हम बात करते हैं तो CUET में मेनली क्या है हमारा, few topics are there. If you call it, I mean the major portion आपका आता है माइक्रो, that is microeconomics, then comes macroeconomics, then comes most important growth and development, GND, that is growth and development, then comes Indian economy, after this international trade. These are very important things. So in my view, if you ask me कि sir what are the top 5 things so which are very very important for CUET PG entrance economics, so I would say कि टॉप 5 में यही आते हैं: माइक्रो, मैक्रो, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट, इंडियन इकोनॉमी एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देर आर ऑल्सो बेसिक थिंग्स फ्रॉम वेयर क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड. Another points are here: public finance, that is public finance, and last portion you can say stats and maths, right? Now coming to the इनके वेटेज क्या रहते हैं. So considering the fact कि nature of paper will be 2022 itself, तो accordingly we can say कि stat and maths के nearly 7 to 8 questions थे, hardly. So hardly 10%. There are, I mean, 80 questions, right? So if you consider there is 80 questions, there is in fact actually 75 questions, so 7 to 8, so nearly 10%. तो 10% जो वेस्टेज आपका रहेगा मैथ्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स का रहेगा. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर इट, प्लीज़ नोट इट डाउन. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द टॉप 3? You know, if you go the nitty gritty of the syllabus and the weightages of different things sorry, you will find that there are just 3 subjects which constitutes nearly 50% of CUET PG economics. तो वह कौन सा 3 सब्जेक्ट है? लेट मी टेल यू. 50% वाले क्राइटेरिया में, इन 50% क्राइटेरिया इफ़ यू आस्क मी, आई विल से दिस इज मैक्रो, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट and Indian economy with microeconomics. So considering micro and macro, this is basic. So micro and macro को अगर हम basic लेते हैं तो यह एक हो जाएगा, growth and development एक रहेगा, Indian economy एक रहेगा. Too much questions were from Indian economy. Trust me. Why? Because this is all India exam, inclusive exam, theoretical exam, conceptual exam, and we are aspiring to get into Indian institutes like central universities or deemed to be universities, or I mean all the national level institutes. So these are very very important steps getting into Indian economy. As I have been already told कि must read books हैं. You know one thing, अगर आप 4-5 books हैं, अगर आप उसको कर लेते हैं तो nearly 70% of syllabus is covered. So I will be explaining in the next video. This is just a 5 minutes video. I won't keep it more. So in 5 minutes just I explained you कि if you do micro, macro, growth and development in Indian economy, more than 50% of syllabus is covered. More than 50, it's nearly 60%. And rest 30-40% क्या आएंगे? इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड हो गए, पब्लिक फाइनेंस हो गए, स्टैटिस्टिक्स मैथमेटिक्स हो गए, कुछ GS टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फ्रॉम द स्कीम्स. Sometimes question is expected, I mean from the Indian history, economic history, so those can be considered the part of Indian economy also. Econometrics is not asked, my dear friends. And please remember, please follow the syllabus of CUET PG economics. Don't get confused कि DSC है, JNU है and different institute है तो उनके पेपर के नेचर रहेंगे. No, I have been telling you since beginning कि please solve past year paper of HCU, BHU and JNU because these are theoretical in nature. And please be श्योर कि आपका जो है CUET का सिलेबस वह पहले कंप्लीट हो जाए. आफ्टर दैट यू डू पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स ऑफ दिस एंड प्लीज़ टेक इट एज ए सप्लीमेंट्री, और दोनों को ऐड करके आप अपना एक कंप्लीट सिलेबस बना लेंगे. आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड ए वीडियो ऑफ 360 डिग्री कवरेज ऑफ CUET syllabus, you please go to my playlist and watch it on my YouTube. I have uploaded, and you should be knowing कि I have also started my class, CUET PG economics class. The fee is only 2199. That's it, 2199, and the class is running. So far 4-5 classes has been done. Next session we are going to start growth and development, then we will have micro. Majority of syllabus of macro we have finished. In case if you miss the class, you will get recorded lecture and you can watch till your lifetime, 100 years, 200 years you can watch. There is no कि one screen चलेगा, 2 screen चलेगा, unlimited you can watch. So without any doubt you can join. These are the details you can see here. तो चलिए, यह वीडियो आपको फ्रूटफुल लगा होगा, प्लीज़ शेयर करें, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को, और पॉसिबल करें कि आप ज्वाइन कर लें. नीचे ज्वाइन का लिंक आ रहा होगा मेंबरशिप का. इफ़ यू ज्वाइन द मेंबरशिप स्कीम, देयर आई प्रोवाइड एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोज़ फॉर द CUET PG इकोनॉमिक्स, वेयर वी सॉल्व सम न्यूमेरिकल्स, वी सॉल्व some past year papers, and also do live chatting with my dear students. So you can also do that, and I dedicatedly upload only economics video because this channel is for everything. So sometimes I may upload history video, sometimes I may upload campus video, sometimes I may upload vlogs video. So I request you, you please join that. जो मैंने बोला है आपको, ये ज्वाइन कर लेंगे आपको. So it will be really good, especially if you are preparing for CUET PG economics, and dedicatedly here I will be uploading video from 12th of March. So please stay tuned guys, and please subscribe the channel and join the Telegram. So course detail, you please check it out, just what I gave you. These are the course detail, you can see here, and these are the subject just I mentioned कि you are supposed to focus on just micro, macro, growth and development, Indian economy. If you ask me कि top 3 कौन सा रहेगा, तो micro, macro please take 1, because micro, macro से nearly 25% questions आते हैं from micro and macro guys. तो चलिए, मैं मिलूंगा आपसे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक वीडियो के साथ हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें, स्टे ट्यून्ड रहें. और अगले वीडियो में मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि जो अभी हैं पेंडिंग में, जैसे सल्वाटोर की वीडियो बनाने हैं, व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स फॉर सल्वाटोर, व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स फॉर रमेश सिंह, ऑल दीज वीडियोज विल बी कमिंग विद इन 2 to 3 days. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल गाइज, एंड प्लीज़ प्रेस द ज्वाइन बटन. In join just 29 rupees membership program. I have kept the minimum what I can do. Even I have kept fee minimum, that is 2199 rupees. And the details you can see here. These details are just for the CUET PG 2023 economics, in which you have to just focus 3, 4, 5 subjects. So what I told, that is micro, macro, growth and development, Indian economy. That's it. And if you do maths and stats, that is 80% of your syllabus is done. So I hope this video was fruitful to you. मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Bye bye guys.